Welcome back to the channel, Hobby-Wan Kenobi here. Please do take a moment to like this video if you enjoy this content and consider subscribing to the channel. Well, now I'm continuing work on the Hasegawa F A-18C in 1/48 scale. The wheel wells have received coats of Tamiya flat white, and I will be painting a few details. As with all jet wheel wells, there are a slew of wires that will need to be painted silver and black. I like to start the paint at the edges of the object first. I find that not only does a small brush work well, but I also must take time to find just the right consistency in the paint. I will often do several passes. Trying to paint everything perfectly the first go never quite works out right. I also expect to touch up several times in this paint session. Wires that are painted silver look best with a black undercoat. I will often paint everything that receives black and silver with the black initially. Blue, red, and yellow paints are used to pick out connectors found along these wires. Decals are added all around. Once all of this detail is painted, the area will receive a gloss coat, then a wash will be added to enhance shadows. Next, it was time to finish up the ejection seat. The seat was painted black, then dry brushed with gray artist oils. Next, I used Vallejo model color paints for the colors of the seat cushion, seat belts, and buckles. I blended paints to closely match the colors found in my references. Again, paint is applied to the edges of the objects, then filled in at the center. Once the basic base colors are down, I like to add shadows and highlights of the base colors to add dimension to the cushions and belts. Like before, silver is placed over black. The black allows the silver to pop better, as well as adds shadows to the buckles. Decals were used for the danger signs and the instructions found all over the ejection seat. These came from an aftermarket decal set, as well as from Annie's decal sheets. Next, I decided to paint my own ejection handle. I first start with black wire. A very thin strip of Tamiya tape is carefully wrapped around the wire at an angle. Tamiya gray primer is then sprayed over the entire wire. After the primer dries, I airbrush a few light coats of Tamiya yellow. Once dried, the tape is slowly removed. Finally, the wire receives a few light coats of clear flat. The wire is bent to shape, cut, and glued to the proper location on the seat. Finally, the entire seat received a final coat of clear flat, and here it is. Well, that does it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.